One of my subscribers and avid followers from Canada hit me up and asked if islanders decorate their places for the end of year season greetings, holiday celebrations and stuff. So far I've stumbled upon maybe 20 or 30 homes. And that's because I haven't been like traversing and moving throughout the place with intent, trying to figure out and find out if they do. Some business do have the lights up as well. Alright, got the fire blocking done. I guess on this section right here, this entry point, I might put one in the bottom here and one up there somewhere, and then I'll do the same against this opening right here to beef up and straighten up the wall, because when you tap it, it moves, so I'll have to take out that. Remember to hydrate, get fluids in you. This is the roofing section, a roofing phase, not there yet. This is what I'm looking for. Flooring schematics. So we just got this section right here to finish out with the fire blocking, and then we can move on to another phase. I was trying to make it back here for the sunrise, but pulling tools and setting up takes priority, and I missed it. So the items that you see in the videos, most of the tools, especially the ones that I include, they're empowered by Rootswork, and Rootswork Construction own those, and I'm the owner, so they belong to moi. Took a second for me to figure out how to get the extension cord pulled out. Arming myself. Here's another part of my equipment, my tool, my ammo. I add these two pieces, this one, and already made a difference and impact. Okay, they're blocking or putting in. See, it has some bounce, so the thing is to get that out. Still, there's a smidge there. Belize is beautiful. We work for like, shares, comments, and hype. Remember to subscribe. There's membership available. Check out the description section about Empower by Rootswork, where there's more info that is available to the general public. Thanks for those who continue to tune in and watch. Greatly appreciate it. My ammunition for the day. We're getting ready for battle. So now the more blocking we install in the corners, it's locking it in place and taking out and subtracting the bounce. It's getting stronger and stronger, less play. Plus this wall is 17 feet long, so it will have a lot of play in it. So you got to take it out before you start putting your flooring joist. Once you put in the flooring joist, then that will start stiffening it up and beefing up the walls. But you got to beef it up before. Working here for a few days, I didn't realize that this grocery store was like that. I just looked up and I saw that. I thought it was a hotel. The Boca del Rio, Barry Bourne Bridge is right down there. Put my happy mug in it. Have a blessed day. Thanks again, guys. It's great to have a little garden, and they have chunk up here, they're right here.